Okay, 2. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm back again in this thing. I ain't like that one. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, and I'm back again in this thing. I ain't like that one.
No, God! No!
What's good, YouTube, man? It's your boy, and I'm back again with another video, baby. And this right here gonna be a banger, because today we going to compare two shoes. As you can see from the thumbnail, those two shoes are the Pine Green Jordans. Like, a lot of people had mixed emotions about these shoes, but your boy, I was like, hey, I gotta have them. I gotta have them. Let me hold you. Alright, but I had to get the shoes, man. So today we're gonna do a comparison video on the Pine Greens. I know it's been a minute since your boy didn't put out a video, but I think I'm gonna be back in action. I'll drop a video later on, letting you guys know what was going on. I think I'll let y'all know. Most likely I'll let y'all know. All 107 of y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe, like the video, all that. But you know what I'm saying? I'll let y'all know what was going on. Your boy has moved back home. If you know what home is. Some of y'all know what home is. Some of y'all don't. But home is Memphis, Tennessee. Your boy back in the you know what I'm saying? Tiger Blue, baby. But without further ado, let me stop all this jibber jabbish and yibber yabbish. Let's get to the video. Give me a sec. Alright, first we gonna start off with the Pine Green 1.0s. As you can see, man, this is a fabulous looking shoe. I love this white offsetting that green and that black with this white. I think this sole is sail. I guess they'll call it sail. But yeah, other than that, I mean, I like the shoe. It's beautiful. Just give y'all a closer look. Pretty sure most of you guys have seen it. But overall, it's a dope shoe. I don't actually own this shoe. Shout out to my homie Tori for letting me use his Pine Green 1.0s. I like them. I think I just might just go ahead and buy them for resale if I can get them for under $230. I don't want to pay $250 for them just because I just don't want to pay $250 for them. They were $250. Maybe the leather feels good. The shoe feels nice. The shoe looks nice. You see, like he's worn a few times. The creases on him look fabulous. Man, look, it's not much wrong with this shoe for them not to have went back with this same concept. But without further ado, let's get to the newer concept. What it do, baby? It's the 2020 release of the Pine Green Jordan 1 highs. Oh my God! Wow! The shoe, man, I love the smell of Jordan 1s, man, when they first come. Like this, smells lovely. Smells lovely. But yeah, this is a shoe. This is the shoe, man. For you guys, a nice little look. Still have your white bottom here, but all of this is black, and this is green. Did something a little different with that right there. You know what I'm saying? But overall, man, this shoe is beautiful. It's gorgeous, and they threw you some red laces. You know, I was saying that They should have came out like during Christmas time if they was gonna throw the red laces and not give us green laces. Or maybe they did give us green laces. I just didn't see them in the box. But if they would have gave us green laces, it would have been perfect. But they decided to give us some red laces, and I feel some type of way about them because I don't think that I ever put the red laces in there. Probably use the red laces for another shoe because they're not going in these. Then you have your little touch of red up there. That's the only red that's in the shoe, to be honest. Everything else is green, black, and white. So yeah, why did you put the red laces in there? I don't want them. But yeah, moving along. No, your soul is still the same, people. Everything looks lovely. I like this. It's like, no, it's nice, but I do think we may have some trouble with that. Let me bring back the other one. Give me 1 second. So if you can see, this one is like, focus, there we go. This one is like inside the leather. This actually sticks inside. Give you a little closer look. It's engraved in the leather. This one, ooh, I'm moving the camera and stuff. Focus. It's like has its own design outside of the leather. It's like a piece of leather with the actual design inside the piece of leather. I don't know. That's different. I don't think it's too many ones that's made like this. Yeah, I don't like these red laces. I don't like them. Why? If you have an answer why they gave us red laces, please leave down in the comments, because I don't like them. But yeah, overall, man, dope shoe. Smells good. I like it. I only caught one pair of shoe due to your boy ain't making money like he used to just yet. But I'll get back on my resale game a little later. I do have some Yeezys for sale. You know what I'm saying? I have some Landmark size 12. I have some 500 Stone size 12. Man, look, if you're looking to buy those, hit me up in the comments. DM me on my Instagram, my Twitter. I'll make sure all that information is right here or up there. Either or. Make sure you guys follow the kid. You know what I'm saying? I ain't post on Instagram in a minute. I didn't. But it's alright though. Because guess what? I'm going to start posting more often. Yes, sir. But anyways, this was just like, you know, a little small comparison video of the two shoes. You know what I'm saying? Let me know which ones you guys like. You like the 1.0s? Are you a fan of the 2.0s? Do you really care? Fan of both? Yeah. Let's see, are these green similar? Different material. It's different material. It's different material, people. This is more like your smooth leather. And this leather is that the leather they've been using lately. I don't even know the type of leather we gonna say it is, but yeah, it's different. But I like it. They should have put that leather on these. Yeah, but anyways, I like both shoes. Like I said, I'll be buying these eventually. Again, shout out to the homie for letting me use the shoe. Appreciate it. See you take really good care of your shoes. For these shoes to be, 2 years old? I'll double check and see when these officially came out. I think they came out maybe early 2019, late 2018. But the shoes in good shape. So shout out to Tori, man. And yeah, I'll be rocking these. Y'all will be seeing some pictures on the IG pretty soon with a fit that I put together with this. Well, my girlfriend fit she might put together for me. Go let her tell her she dresses me. But your boy always had the sauce and the swagoo. But anyways, let's not talk about that. coming up, man, I have another video. I picked up some nice little Kobe's that I've been trying to pick up back probably when I was in college, which was a long time ago. It's not that long, but it's a long time ago. I always wanted to hoop in these shoes, and I finally got my chance to get these shoes in hand. Shout out to the plug, of course. But I have a video coming on that soon. But without further ado, man, peace, love, and happiness. Make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure you like this video. Your boy love you. Stay safe with that coronavirus. Wash your hands. Use hand sanitizer. Stay clean. And man, check on your people, man. Check on your people. Check on, make sure everybody good. You know what I'm saying? Your boy love you. J Boogie. I'm out this time.